Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to Nailed It. In today's video, I'll show you how to make this easy floral design using just a toothpick and a matchstick. Yes, you heard me right. Do let me know in the comments below which one did you like the most, the first one or the second one. Alright, let's begin. Before starting your nail art, it's very important to apply your base coat because it helps your natural nails. It acts as a barrier between pigment and the nail color, and it also helps your nail art to stay longer. So why not? I have taken black color as the base color, but you can take any color that you have. Don't restrict yourself with the colors that I am using. I mean, you can just mix and match your own colors, be creative, and the important thing is to do the nail art. So, let's do it together. Let it dry, and now once that is done, we'll apply the second coat because it will give your nail art a good finish and a good look altogether. So I always prefer going with two coats and not just with a single coat. Now we'll take our matchstick and we'll only take the color on one side of the matchstick. All you have to do is just put the dots. Okay, I just zoomed in to show it to you. So just put a dot and drag it inwards. That's all you have to do. It's so simple. Now we'll take yellow color and put a dot. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a dot that you have to put. That's all we have to do. Can you see how easy and pretty it looks? We'll take a toothpick and put black color dots in it. Just make sure that you put 3 or 4 dots in it, nothing more than that. Now we'll take the same toothpick and put white color polka dots. Just make sure that the toothpick is at a 90-degree angle and not at a 45 degrees or any other degree, because you will not get even dots in that way. So make sure, just see how I'm doing it and do it that way. You'll get similar kind of polka dots on your nails. And we will also do the same polka dot for our thumb as well. So you can see that I am placing this polka dots randomly. Don't just keep thinking that where am I supposed to place it. Just place it wherever you want to. It will look good, don't worry. Just do it. I hope you guys love this nail art and you will do it for yourself as well. Now we'll start with a second design. Make sure that you apply your base coat. I'm sorry, I just forgot to film it, but I've already done that. So I'm applying a olive green color as a base color, but again, feel free to use any color that you want to. We'll apply the first coat, wait until it gets dry, and then move to the second coat. So now we'll take our matchstick and I am using a mint blue color but as always you can use any color of your choice. All I'm doing is placing a dot, dragging it inwards, and I'm just creating a plus sign first. As you can just see it, I've just done 4 petals, and after that we will fill in up the gaps. So just place a dot and drag it inwards. That's all you have to do to create this flower. We will take a yellow color and put a dot in between, as you can see it the way I'm doing it, and then a toothpick with olive green color, and I'm just placing a small line in case if you feel that the design is not looking perfect and you just need a line between the petals with an olive green. You can always go back and do that. I took the black color and just put the black color dots, like 3 to 4 dots as I told you. Now we'll do the second design, the same one with a toothpick. So you can just see I'm just placing a plus sign and then a cross in it. Now all you have to do is the sign that you've made, just put a dot and just drag that inwards, just like how you made the petal. You can just see it how am I showing it to you. So we'll just do it the same way. So I've shown you 2 different ways. One is with your toothpick and the other one with the matchstick. So you can just try it for yourself. Whichever way you feel comfortable with, you can do it that way. So now we'll place a yellow color dot and then a black color toothpick to fill the small polka dots. Can you see how pretty it looks? Now all we have to do is apply our top coat and we are good to go. We are done. And here is the finished look. I hope you all love it and you guys will try it for yourself. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and also the bell icon. Thank you for watching.